Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber or if you've been subscribed to me and you've noticed that I haven't been uploading as frequently as normal, I usually upload once a week on Tuesdays. It's because I lost a family member, someone who was very close to me, so just about 2 weeks ago. So that's why I haven't been uploading, but I'm trying to get back on it. And here is a video for me just getting back into the groove of things. It's just a simple get ready with me, featuring this style right here. I'll show you guys how I did this ponytail, this makeup look. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned and watch these next clips. Send me good energy, guys, good vibes, happy vibes, uplifting vibes, and thank you. Okay, here I have my water. It's boiling, and I just went ahead and made another detachable ponytail, sectioned it off in 3 sections and created 3 braids. And then I just dipped it into the water because this is synthetic hair. So that's how I'm going to get the desired look that I want as far as a braid out. And I just dipped this. Make sure you use some tongs, guys. I thugged it out and ended up burning myself. Just dried the hair off, and then I let that sit for a day before I installed it so it can be completely dry. Okay, so here I'm just applying my foundation, and I'm just gonna allow you guys to watch me do this really quick. Just gonna speed through everything, and then we're gonna get straight to the eye look, lip look, and the highlighter. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just using one product for this eye look, and it's this ColourPop lippy stick. The name actually rubbed off of this. I've had it for a long time, but that is what I'm just putting on my eyes. And I am going to line my eyes with my waterline with the liner and put on black mascara. And that's just really this look. Like, it's not much at all, but this is one of my favorite looks. And it just is simple but effective, like, and it's all in how you blend it. So make sure you get enough product in your crease and right in the front where your brow is, because you want to blend all of that in. You want to create depth, so you're creating some depth to your eye when you blend the product in that way, and the way you place the product. And I'm just using a 224 blending brush in my finger. I wore this look one time when I went out and I loved it. And it's really just a simple look, and you focus on the lips matching the eyes, because I'm going to put this same lippy stick on my lips, and then I focused on highlighter too. So, but what I will say is the lippy stick starts to crease, but that was okay for me. Like, just throughout the night I just reapplied it like I'm doing now, and I took my finger and I just tapped it and blended out. And then I'm going to put some on my lower lash line too. And I'm just smoking that out at the bottom, kind of bringing it around in the corner of my eye like that. I want that wet look, so. And it'll probably be better too if you don't even put any foundation on your eyelid. that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for that. Okay, let's move on to highlighter. I'm going to layer 3 highlighters. First, I'm going to put on the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife using my e.l.f. blending brush. I'm just going to put a little bit at the top and on the corners of my eyebrows, all into my hairline like that. It's a loose iridescent powder by MAC. I think it's called Golden Bronze, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the info in the description box, and I'm gonna put that on top. And then I'm gonna take Superb and put that as the last highlighter on top of those two. I'm going in with my foundation brush just to kind of buff this in a little bit more. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit more contour. So let me get my Matchstick in Espresso by Fenty Beauty. And I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit higher so it can connect with that highlighter. Okay, so back to the highlighter. I'm just gonna take Superb with my finger, put it on my nose. I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with this pencil right here. Put my gel in my eyebrows, because I always put gel in my eyebrows. My Eco Styler gel. Put my mascara on. This is the Kiss INV Volumizing Mascara in the color Berry Black. This is my favorite mascara of all time. I'm gonna take a little bit of Superb and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner just with my pinky finger. And blend it out just a little bit. So I'm just gonna take this lipstick, the Lippy Stick by ColourPop, and put it on my lips. It's looking a little glossy, but that's okay because I had gloss on. So now I'm just going to spray some finishing spray. This is the makeup spray by Scandinavia, the Makeup Bridal finishing spray. This the bridal one, the Scandinavia finishing spray, the bridal one. Okay. All right, now let's do my hair. Okay, so I just went ahead and slicked my hair back, and here is the ponytail. I unraveled it and separated it because I wanted it to be a little wild and fluffy. So this is what this is looking like. And now I'm just going to go ahead and attach this on. Just slide this up the braid. Stick my finger down in the middle. Find the braid and pull it through the hole at the bottom. And that is on. Now I'm just going to take my hairpins and pin that down. What I do is I just take a hairpin, stick it under my hair tie that I use to hold my natural hair, and that's how I secure it, and it stays pretty good. Then I'm going to take a piece and wrap it around the base. A little bit of gel. Just wrap it around. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this get ready with me. Thank you guys for stopping by and viewing this video. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave your questions down in the comment section. Any comments, anything you want to ask me, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.